In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone and make sure you're on the main interface. Once you're in, look for the Blueprints section and tap on it. This is where Leonardo AI organizes different creative tools and guided workflows, so it's the right place to find the background editing feature. After that, scroll down until you see the background change option, then tap on it. When that opens, go ahead and select Get Started. This will take you into the setup screen where you can choose the image you want to work with. At this point, you'll see 4 different ways to add your image: My Generations, Library, Camera, and Paste Image. My Generations lets you use something you already created inside Leonardo AI. Library allows you to pick a photo saved on your device. Camera is useful if you want to take a new picture right away, and Paste Image works if you already have an image copied and ready to insert. Choose the option that fits your situation and then select your image. Once your image is loaded, tap Next Step to continue. Now you'll be asked to describe the new background you want. This part is important because Leonardo AI uses your description to decide what should replace the existing background. If your goal is to make the background look completely removed, enter a description that changes it to a plain white background. Keeping the prompt simple usually gives cleaner results. When you're happy with your background description, tap Generate and let Leonardo AI process the image. After a few moments, your updated version should appear with the new background applied. If needed, you can always adjust your description and try again for a more polished result.